my channel Craft That. Today I'm going to be painting rocks. It was requested by my best friend, and it's super easy and fun. A lot of people in my neighborhood or at the park paint rocks and then hide them around there for other people to find. I found a lot, and I also like to paint the rocks and then hide them too. The first step is you pick out like some smooth rocks and then wash them to get all the dirt off. So I'm just gonna go do that and I'll be right back. Here's some rocks that I found. I have this cactus one that's like really good painting and stuff. And then I have this bumblebee one which is like simple, and then a heart one. They're really nice and I really like them. The cactus one is advanced. The bumblebee and the heart are kind of like if you haven't beginner, like if you haven't really painted rocks before. So yeah, those are like some of the rocks I found, and yeah. Okay, so here are the rocks I went outside and got. See how they're like really smooth? I already washed them. And I have like a small one, a medium one, and a big one. That's a small one. And they're all really smooth, and I think they'll be perfect for painting. And start off with the medium-sized one. I think I'm gonna do like a flower because that will be good. And I'm gonna use, since like I'm only gonna use a little bit amount of paint, I'm gonna use this. Okay, so I'm gonna get all the paint and I'll be back. Okay, so while I was recording, when I was doing the yellow for the middle of the flower, I didn't I was doing it on time lapse, so yeah, I couldn't film that, but now it's okay. Now we're gonna do the petals. So you're gonna kind of make like this kind of shape for the petals. To get it darker, because it's a rock, you might have to use like a couple coats or something, or kind of just like glop some on, like this one. That's right. And I'm going to do the rest of the petals, and I'll be back. So yeah. Okay, so here is the flower and how it turned out. I'm gonna use some purple paint to make like a design. So I'm gonna use this paintbrush, kind of like a small one. And I'm thinking I'm just gonna do like some little dots around the flower. So it's like looks like it's not so plain. And yeah, I just like the dots around it. So I'm just going to finish up this and I'll be back. Okay, so here's how it turned out. It's really cute. The dots just made like an extra touch to it, and I really like it. And I'm gonna do another rock now. So I'm going to do, I think, this small rock. So for the small rock, I'm going to draw little balloons on it. And I'm gonna do that with a Sharpie because paint would be kind of hard. Okay, so I did the balloons, but they just looked kind of plain. So I'm gonna take some white paint and add little polka dots on them. I don't know if I'll do white polka dots on all of them. I don't think I will. But on the pink one, I will. Okay, and then with the blue one, I think I'm gonna do purple. And then with the yellow, I think I'll do pink. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a big rock, and for the big rock, I think I'm gonna do like a design or something. Guys, I love this rock. It's so pretty. I love how the swirl goes into like all the different colors. It's so cute. And this is probably definitely my favorite. What was your favorite? So here are all the ones I made. I made this swirly one, my favorite. The balloons, which would be perfect for like a birthday, and a flower. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am really glad my friend requested this. It was so much fun. So please like and subscribe for more. Bye!